Good morning, ninth grade. How'd your weekend go? Are you ready for another week? We are winding down, finishing up on Unit 9. We have one unit left. And today we did review, and tomorrow we'll do test. So, not too much left. Are you ready? If you look at review, you're going to get a few more solving using the quadratic equation. How'd you like using that guy? Did it come easy? Is it tough? Would you rather do it the old-fashioned way? I personally kind of like it. It simplifies things down easily, very quickly. I'll do number one for you. Or no, I'll help you do number one. There we go. Pay attention. You don't look for the answer. Number one on lesson 15, 9.15. Page 465. Start out. I put the formula back up here. X equals, you don't have to worry about the x, but negative b, positive negative squared b squared, negative 4ac, 2a on bottom. That is a quadratic equation. You should remember this for the rest of your life. Oh, you won't believe how many times you'll use this thing. I mean, I use it every year that I teach. Got you. Got you. It's still good. I'm not laughing, okay? I'm not laughing. I'm serious about this problem. I substituted number one. I put you, the B is 13. No, I should have told you that the A answer is 1. Even though it's X, you know it's 1. So you want to represent 1 there. Your B answer is negative 13, and 13 squared, 4, 1, and the C answer is 22. I substituted. I went down through here fairly fast, so please get the steps that I skipped. I condensed this one here. 1 times 1 is 2. I condensed 13 squared is 169. I went 4 times 1 is 4, and 22 times 4 is 88. I just counted my negative signs. I had odd number, so I gave it a negative. So I have a negative 88 over 2. Here I combined and subtracted the 88 from the 69 is what I actually did. I come up with an 81. I love that there. 81 squared. And that's not hard. 81 squared is 9. And so you have, I actually never moved the 13, but you have 9 positive negative with a 2. And 13 negative is in the front. So I should have put that here. I moved right back here to this part here. So now I substituted the positive 9. I took the positive 9 over 13, which would make me 9 minus 13, I think would make me 4. So I had a 4 negative and a 2, so I divided 2 into 4, made me a negative 2. X equals negative 2. That's pretty fast. That didn't take long. Negative 13 and negative, now yeah, I took the positive 9 here, now I took the negative 9 over here, so that made me 13 and 9 makes me 22. They are like signs. When I combined them, I had 22 negative, I divided 2 into 22, and I got negative 11. X equals negative 11. Wow, can't beat that. How about you doing the next one for me? Or do you want help with it? Well, I don't mind helping you. They're kind of fun. You see, it don't take but a few minutes and you've got that one done. So here we go. Let's do the next one. I'm going to make some mistakes and you catch my mistakes, okay? I wish you were here as a class and I would. There we go. I won't get those numbers off there. If you need number one's answers, you can jump to the end of the video and you can skill negative 2 and negative 11. How you got that? I believe you watch. Do you watch these videos just to get a few answers? Does that mean you watch these videos? Yeah, I got you figured out. There we go. I will give you the answers then to check your work here at the end of the video just in a minute here for point 14. Oh, what color chalk, or what color chalk, yeah, what color marker should I use? My markers are about all shot. I'm going to buy new markers here. It's kind of a shame the last couple weeks of school, but I got to have new markers. They're just wore out. You want to do 2 or 3? Number 2 or number 3? Alrighty, let's do, which one's the biggest? Number 2's got a 1 in it again, so that would make that fairly simple. Oh, well, looks to me like number 3 might be the tough one if I give her a shot. 9x 6, 4. Okay, let's not do the expression. Let's just simply put in the answer. So the first one is, we're going to do this here, Radican sign. You should about know this here. It is, the bottom one is 2a, is that right? Okay, so that means 9 times 2. So let's just figure that one right here in our head. Let's not be wasting a lot of pace. So 2 times 9 is 18. We got that one solved. Now you got b negative. So our b's answer is 6. Are you with me? 6 negative. Okay, so that's going to be 6 negative. And this is going to be b squared. So let's get that answer right away too. 6 times 6 is 36. You were right on. Oh, did I figure that or did you figure that? Who figured that one? 6 times 6 is 36. And we're a positive negative, which I almost skipped that there part. We'll get down there. We always know that. And now I got 4, negative 4, and then it's AC. So A's answer is 9. 4 times 9. And then C's, yes, A's answer, and then negative 4 is a back one. Okay, let's get this answer here. While we're at it, I had to write it all out. 4 9s, 36, and 4 times 36. I don't know that. Use your calculator. Figure that out. 4 6 is 24, 3 4 is 12, 14, 144. I don't know, liking that one. And it's going to be 2 negative signs, so it's going to be negative 144. Okay, so an even number of negative signs, so it's going to be negative 144. Or no, am I wrong? It's going to be positive 144. I don't know here without checking. Let me check the answer key. It is a positive 144. Okay, so now we brought down here, we've got 6 negative 36 positive 144, and we're going to do the 18 on the bottom. Let's combine this one, 34 and 134 and 36 is going to be 6 and 4 is 10. Are you helping me with this one, or am I getting this one myself? I don't hear any answers from you. Yeah, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, at least you look and see if I make a mistake. If I make a mistake, you stop me. 4 and 8, and this is 180. Is that right? 36 would be like 180. Okay. So here I'm going to copy this one. Negative 6, 180. Oh my. Whew. Can someone help me out on that one? What is a square of 180? That doesn't look too fun. Ooh, what is a square of 180? Well, I don't know what to do. I guess we'll have to find out. Let's go 2. And this would be 90. And let's do 2 again. That would make me 45. And let's do 5 and 9. 3, 3. Is that right? Did I do that right? I'm getting a square for 180. You see what I'm doing. So I got the exponents. So I went 2 and 2. So I got a 2 here. I got a square of 3 here. And I got a 5 left. So, help me out here. That means I got to go, I know I put the 5 underneath the box, because he doesn't go. But I got a square of 2 and 3, so that means I got to go 2 times 3 is 6. Is that right? Am I 6 outside the box? Let me check here. 2 times 3 is 6, that's right. So I got a 6, 5. I got a square here and a square here. So, if I recopy this problem, let's come down here. Let's drop down here a little bit below this. Let's go negative 6, and then 6 radicand 5 over 18. Whoa. Wow, why didn't you tell me this problem was so hard? I would have skipped this one. Okay, now I think that I can, what can I combine? I can do the 6 negative, because I'm positive negative. I'm positive negative. I don't know my sign right here. Positive negative 6 over 8, 6 over 15. So let me erase this here. I'm positive negative 15. Let me look in the book to see if I am still on track. 6, negative 6, positive negative 6, radicand 5, 18 on the bottom. That's right. And now, what I need to do is solve that one. So, I can do the 6. Let me see here. What can I do? Or what can't I do? I can cancel I can reduce the 6 here. This will make this a 1. And this one will be a 3. Okay. So now I've got 1 negative. And I've got a 3. Okay, you see what I did? I canceled here. Negative 6 would make me a negative 1, and then 3 sixes is 18, so that made me a 3. So let me come over here, negative 1 plus negative 6, 6, 5, 6, 5 over 3. Am I done? Okay, let me see here. What did they do? Negative 6, 6, a negative 6, 18. X equals positive negative 5. Okay, now I am struggling to know whether I did this right. Maybe I could combine negative 6 from positive 6. They come up with X equals this answer right here if I take the 6 out. Positive, negative. Okay, so let me back up here. I want to know, I canceled out here, so that made me a negative 1. What happened to my 6 here? And then I had 3 on the bottom, so that makes sense. I'm moving 3 over here. I'm moving negative 1 over here. And now I've got positive negative 6. Oh, I guess if you add 6 or subtract 6, it completely eliminates it. So yeah, all right, now that makes sense. So my answer is 1, negative, then I got a plus 6, a negative 6, which completely eliminates it. So I come up with plus negative radicand 5. And I have 3 on the bottom yet, because I couldn't get rid of that. That's your answer for number 3. Wow, that one was too hard. And your X equals just one answer. You only have one answer for that one, not 2. Alrighty, I'll let you do number 2. And then do your review. Do the first 2 of every part. And get ready for test tomorrow. Let me see here. You might want some answers from yesterday's lesson. Let's take a look at what you had here. Okay. They don't condense these answers at all, so they're spread out pretty big. on lots of pages. That should be the first one. I think maybe I gave you that one. That should be the second one. And that's the third one. Can you see that? Fourth one. Whoops. Let me get the fourth one here. Here we got the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. I don't know which ones you need. Seventh is here. Eighth is here. Ninth is up here somewhere. 10 is there. Where is 10? I don't see 10. 10, oh, yeah, it's a square, it's a division, sorry, it's right up on top. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, oh, there's 17, you couldn't find 18, 19, 20, 21, way down there. Wow, I bet you all missed 21. Now, guess again. No, you're not dummies. 22, it's way down there. 23 is right over here. Woo, I know you missed that one. 24, 25 at the bottom of the page right there. How about any more? 26? How many you want? 26, 27, there's 28, graph, or maybe, I don't know, maybe that's 28 there. 29, 30, 31. You can see those numbers, I don't need to tell you, do you? You need any more? Let's see if there's another page or not. Yeah, there's still another page. All right. We'll wind this down. There we go. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Oh, you didn't have that many. Have a good one. See you later.